How to fix LinkedIn jobs not loading. If LinkedIn jobs aren't loading, it's usually due to a browser cache issue, outdated app version, or temporary site-wide glitch as well. You can resolve most of this issue by following these steps. First thing first, what you want to do is you could go to LinkedIn onto your device, launch open, tap onto the profile at the very top and go to settings, scroll down and just go to look for sign out. So once you select the sign in and security, here you could go ahead and select log out, and this is where you could go ahead and close all the background running app, hold on to your side button and restart your device. This should be able to fix. Next, what you could also do is simply want to make sure to go to the settings on your device and locate network and internet. It could also be due to poor connectivity, after which you also want to make sure to go ahead and locate apps, locate LinkedIn, and make sure to go ahead and locate storage and cache, and make sure to clear cache as well. This should also definitely help you out. In many cases, if you've not updated your app for a while, you would go to the search and simply type in LinkedIn and make sure to update the app. That should also definitely help you out. So these are some of the ways you could go ahead and fix LinkedIn job not loading. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.